Funny how I thought that once my hair is long, I will be styling my hair in different ways. Little did I know that creativity is not for everyone. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to style my hair while I chat with you guys. Like, I don't know if any other person struggles with styling their hair, but I am that one person that can never seems to get the hang of this thing. And I've watched people like Glory Okins. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name well. I will leave it here on the screen, okay? So I've watched people like them turn their hair into this beautiful hairstyle. They will wrap it different ways and you to come out exactly the way they want, like so beautiful. When my hair was still short, I used to think that it's because my hair is short, that once my hair gets long, that I'm going to be styling all these beautiful styles I'm seeing on Instagram and on YouTube. Girl, my hair grew long, and guess what? I can't seem to get any style done correctly. Like, the way I have it in my mind and the way it comes out physically is totally different. Like, they are two opposite. They are going in two different directions. Okay, I have a different style in my head, and the style that I end up, creating at the end of the day is something entirely different and something that I can't even go out with. So I don't know how or why I struggle so much with creating beautiful style, and sometimes I just give up. I've noticed that the style that can never fail me is ponytail, double ponytail, or bun, low bun, high bun, or updo. Those ones I can do even when you wake me up from sleep. I say, come, let's go out. And my hair, if my hair is not in protective style, these are the ones I can easily make, that I know that can never fail me. But when it comes to actually creating these amazing beautiful styles with the natural hair that God has given me, I just can't seem to get my shit together. Anyway, what do you guys think about this style? This video, I made it a long time ago. I was just going through my gallery and I saw it and I said, oh my god, well, let me share it. So what do you guys think about this style? And do you also struggle? Do you have any tips or tricks that can help me to get my hairstyles to get it like you guys? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this, and God bless you.